Hi friends, good evening. Actually, it's not good evening. It is 10:25 p.m. on 16th February. First, I'll straight away go to the PPT and then I'll try to make it short today. And before that, we captured today the exact bottom, and from there we ride the entire trend to the top, and we sold exactly at the top, and market collapsed from there. So let's see how it happened. Okay, so this was the video which I posted in my LinkedIn followers. Second astro time, which is very powerful. This was the combination of astro timing and pitchfork, and Ichimoku. So I clearly mentioned above this candle high, you can simply buy because it is taking a bottom at the Ichimoku, and the astro timing also there, and this red color line, which is my number, is also supporting. So number, number, Ichimoku and astro timing combined. That's why I mentioned it is second astro timing, which is very, very powerful. Okay, so we will go to the graph and see what happened from here. Okay, let's go to the graph. Okay, so this was the timing when I mentioned exactly Ichimoku support, and from here it went straight away 200 points, and the last astro timing which killed everything. And see here also, see the beauty. It always try to cut the cloud when the cloud is very, very thin. It works in all the time frames. That's the beauty of Ichimoku. It works in 5 minutes, even 1 minute it works. It always try for the best moment to break. And this is what happened in 1 hour also today, in 1 day also today, even in 5 minutes. See the beauty of it. And this was the exact entry which we made, and this was the bottom of Nifty today, and we captured the exact bottom, and from there we raided the entire thing, and we went short again here. Then it market collapsed, and the blessing in disguise is this guy. It was a ditto. This was our number yesterday. I will show that in PPT. 38,483 and 38,450. These two numbers are not 38,415. This number is for tomorrow. I think it is 38,436. I'll show that in the video. This is for tomorrow. Okay. So now exactly it went reversed from there. Okay. So after that, today we captured this entire rally from the downside, and we sold here, and we captured the entire rally on the downside also. And today it closed below Shakti, which is not good, and closed below our important numbers. So something is going to happen tomorrow, and I will show you that in PPT. So we'll go to the PPT now. I think mostly I covered everything. And Bank Nifty, the exact reversal happened only on Ichimoku, and our number is here, which is 38,416 is our first target today. And from there it broke everything and closed below the trend line, as well as this important number, which is 37,929, which is not a good sign. Okay, so I've already mentioned everything in the PPT what you need to do for tomorrow. So as of now, Bank Nifty is not looking good because it closed below 37,299, because you know why these three numbers are so critical, which is 38025, 37,975 and 37,929. Every time it tries to close there only, most of the time. You can go back and check, you can do your back testing. These three numbers are very, very critical, and today it closed below. And coming to Nifty, the exact target which we mentioned, which is 17,462, it done, and it was nothing but the February 4th low. See how it market respect these lows. See, 3rd and 4th was a very, very crucial day, which I've already mentioned in my PPT. And I don't use indicators. First I respect, I'll go and watch what is happening. So I'll mark all the important dates, high and low. That is very critical for me, and it will respect to the core. See, exactly, it went up, and this was the trend line on the top, rejected, and the trend line also matched with the February 4th low, which is the important trend change date low, and from there it collapsed. and exactly it closed below our important sell number for today morning, okay, which is 17,303, and it closed below, so which is not a good sign. So anything now, any buy above only 17,351, at least for 15 minutes. For tomorrow I'm talking about, okay. So, and it closed below our weekly pivot number, both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So we need to be very careful, and this kind of whipsaws it's actually very good for the traders, and we are literally enjoying it, this kind of movement, because we need zigzag kind of a movement so that we can make money on the upside as well as on the downside. So this is traders market, so investors stay away from the market at least till 21st and 22nd. We will decide what we need to do after 22nd and 21st and 22nd of February. Till that time, investors stay away from the market. In case if the market closes above 17,576 and Bank Nifty above 38,809, we may think about building our position. Till that time, investors stay away, and traders, please keep the stop loss in place. Otherwise, this market will rip us apart. So even if you don't trade for the next 5 days also, it's well and good. Money last is, it's like, you can at least save some money out of it, so that you can use it on the trend change rate, rather than doing here and there and making a little bit of profit and losing more money. Okay, let's go to the PPT now. Okay, this was the observation which I wrote for 16th February. So I've already mentioned these three targets done, which is 17,462, and it closed below our sell number for today, which is not a good sign. And this one, 38,025, it went and touched our first target, took a break on Ichimoku cloud, and then it reversed and closed below the very important number, which is 37,929. Okay, and Bank Nifty, yesterday number was bang on. This is what we discussed yesterday night on Bank Nifty. It was a bang on number. From here it collapsed, and the weekly pivot also is not able to close below this, above this level, which is 38,562 and 37,424. Even though it went up, but it is not able to close above this number. And we have 2 more days to go in this week, and tomorrow is expiry. First 30 minutes high and low will decide everything. Till the time, if you don't have any position, keep quiet. And because we sold everything today and then we are sitting in short, let's see how the market opens tomorrow. In case if anything goes on the reverse side, we will cut, we will go long, and we will decide based on the first 30 minutes high and low tomorrow. And something extraordinary happened today, which you need to see now. Okay, before going to that, I'll finish this today. So these 3 counters at a trend change date today. I have already marked the high and low today, and tomorrow it's a big day for many counters like JSW, Jindal Steel, and Nalco, PFC, CanBank, TVS Motor, REC, NTPC. All these are having the important yearly date, which comes twice in a year, and this is the first date for 2022. All these counters are having their first important yearly date tomorrow, and most of the counters of metals are having their trend change date tomorrow, which is Nalco, SAIL, BEDL, JSW Steel, and Jindal Steel. 17th, and I think Tata Steel is coming next day. We will see that on the next day. So 5 counters are having their important yearly date tomorrow, and NMDC already had today, and it went up by roughly around 2%, I think. Okay, so watch out, and I will definitely cover metals on Saturday. I'm talking about only the stocks. I've already covered metal index fully. I will cover only the metal important stocks. Okay, now I'm going to show you something big. What's this? See, always you remember, whenever I mention Nifty number converge or Bank Nifty number converge, it means it is going to give an explosion. 3 days back, when Bank Nifty gave 1,500 points upside downside move, I've clearly mentioned in my PPT that I think I need to go down somewhere here. I need to check this. Yeah. And this day it gave 1,500 points for. So whenever Nifty and Bank Nifty converge happens, you will see a miracle happening, minimum 750 points. And today, Nifty 3 number converged today. Normally 2 number, 3 number very rarely. So there's going to be a big move in the next 2 days time. Watch it, be with the trend, make the killing. Tomorrow expiry, most of the expiry belongs to the big guys. So first 30 minutes high and low will decide everything. In case if Nifty breaks the 30 minutes low, I think we have roughly around 250 points on the downside. Let's watch Nifty for tomorrow, because 3 numbers converged today, a big thing. And I've already marked this also here, so that you don't get confusion. I've already added one more number here. So what is that 3 numbers? These are the 3 numbers: 17,364, 17,365, 17,368. So these 3 numbers is within the 10 points reach. It means they converged already. And if you go to Bank Nifty, these 2 numbers are already converged, and this is somewhere little away. Till it is below 38,111, it is bearish on futures, and I've already marked everything here. All the numbers I've already given clearly here for tomorrow. You can use it. And tomorrow, and we are already in short in Nifty. Let's see what happens. In case if it turns higher, we will definitely turn that table upside down, right? So watch out. And tomorrow is very big day for a lot of counters. I've already mentioned. Use it to the maximum and make some money out of it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, cryptos, currencies, and everything. Thanks a lot. Good night. Bye.